In this movement series, we're going to introduce the concept of our rotational direction. Rotational plyos are critical for athletes because oftentimes, think of sport, I might have to go up for a header or go up for a rebound and then come back down in an alternative direction. So these not only help us develop our absolute power that we know plyos are good for, but also help us orient ourselves in space and work on dynamic stability in a diversity of landing conditions. Within our rotational package, if you would, we can jump, hop, or bound. Today we're going to go through jumping and hopping progressions. And within each of these, we can use a diversity of initiation types. We're going to start with a rotational vertical 90-degree turn counter movement jump. I know it's a mouthful. So we're going to set up here nice and strong, feet shoulder width apart, set position. On my go, Jair's going to do a normal counter movement jump. But now as he comes off the ground, he's going to turn 90 degrees, going to his left, landing in a good strong position with his back then parallel to me. Okay, on my go call. And go, push, stick, set position. Now I'm going to have him come right back, so we're working rotation in both counterclockwise and clockwise directions. Set position and go. Beautiful. And one last time, set, notice, landing should be the exact same, vertical emphasis, body position in the air, same as all the other jumps we've shown. Set position, and go. Beautiful, and coming on back. Set, let's max out that height now. And go, push, stick, and relax. So within this, understanding that head position drives body position. And oftentimes, the ability to navigate the body in the air is based on that head position. This starts to teach the athlete to be able to navigate those positions while still having to land in a controlled fashion and develop optimal amounts of power. We're now going to take it up a notch and introduce our hop. Just like we talked about medial or lateral hopping, we have medial or lateral within this rotational construct based on the direction we're going to go. So if Jair gets on his left leg, and I have him do that same 90-degree rotation to his left, we will call that a lateral within the rotational hopping package. And then if I have him come back, still on that left leg, it'll then be medial because the medial portion of the foot is driving. At the end of the day, we're trying to develop a diversity of strength and power characteristics, loading the foot in the body in all the different manners that it has to in movement skills. To initiate this, we're going to start with a double contact. Okay, nice and strong, left leg. Double contact, we're doing our lateral version of our 90-degree rotational hop on my go call. And go, punching through, stick. Set position nice and tall. Now he's going to retain this leg position, so now if he comes back, it's now a medial rotational hop. And go, punch, and stick. One more time now, set position, going back to lateral because he's going to his left on his left leg. And go, good punch, stick, beautiful. Set position. Last one, and punch, stick, finishing off with medial. When we look at these specific patterns, again, we're trying to optimize that reactive strength quality, exposing it to a diversity of directions, just like the athlete is going to have to work with when we talk about multi-directional speed. And those last couple movements are exactly what we want to see when we teach rotational jumping, hopping, bounding, 90 degrees all the way to 360, non-counter movement, all the way through your double contact or continuous.